Hello guys, I make the sauce with olive oil,
When I see,
garlic,
when I see that in your hand, I said, what will this?
olive oil, garlic, parsley, little bit tomato, black pepper, and just little bit water and salt. How much you want, because you know. So another, we put onion like that in the pan, and we put the sauce up is here. So now is, don't think about it dry or not, but now we putting in the chicken up is here like drumstick. This is like a traditional Morocco food. It's very famous Morocco food like tagine. So now we just leave like that, and after, so if you want, like you see, now we putting little bit sauce up is here. The sauce, before I tell you, like olive oil, garlic, parsley, tomato, black pepper, olive. Now we putting up is here more. So I don't know how, but just I see some recipes. So let's try. When it's done, I will show you. Okay, thank you guys. Just wait for it's going to be ready. We will cover them. So
A few moments later.
so now we take out that. We put tomato, fresh tomato on this chair. So he can leave water. He will cook chicken. So he can help chicken, you know. So we put already tomato. So we will close again. So water can leave water. His chicken is going cook and onion cannot gonna dry. So now we including carrots. Okay, the carrots you make chop, you make bigger, but I think maybe his carrot is like chop is more good, so it's going easily cook like that kind size. You can see like that kind size. Okay, so we'll include that. We include like that. Yeah, so we include like that after we cover.
1 hour later.
So that recipe I will tell you again. Okay, look how is covered. We add just only garlic, tomato, but it is very good if you add olive oil and parsley. You add there just only salt, how much you want, just only for taste, and black pepper. This traditional Morocco sauce. You can see its color, but if you want, you can add little water with them because it will come a lot of, because he can help cooking chicken. Now is last step. We will include that sauce. We put potato is done. We will include that all sauce. We will cover them because you know if there is also olive oil and a lot of water and the things, so onion cannot going dry. So we will add that and we will cover the same. So I will show you when it's ready. So I will show you how he will come that. This must be important you cover chicken. That's why I put that small, because you know the sauce is like water, oil like that. So it's going very good. Meaning when his water is going dry, meaning your food is ready. Like that, I will show you. You can see carrots, tomato like the dry potato is ready. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, try. If you have something, any question, please comment. I will show you. I will my links. My channel, please follow and share, and most important bell icon and comment. Thank you so much.